What time did your mother call? What time did your mother call?
She called an hour ago. She called an hour ago.
Why is the baby crying? Why is the baby crying?
He is feeling hungry now. He is feeling hungry now.
Where are my car keys? Where are my car keys?
They are on the shelf. They are on the shelf. Shall I wash your shirt? Shall I wash your shirt?
Please do. It is dirty. Please do. It is dirty. Oh, I forgot my wallet. Oh, I forgot my wallet.
Don't worry, I have cash. Don't worry, I have cash.
What is your sister doing these days? What is your sister doing these days?
She is studying in college.
Yeah.
She is studying in college.
Why didn't he attend the class? Why didn't he attend the class?
He was feeling very sick. He was feeling very sick.
Where did you put my glasses? Where did you put my glasses?
They are on the table. They are on the table.
What is he doing in the garden? What is he doing in the garden?
He is planting some roses. He is planting some roses. Will you call the electrician?
Will you?
Will you call the electrician?
Yes, I will call him now. Yes, I will call him now. Did you feed the cat? Did you feed the cat?
Yes, I gave her food. Yes, I gave her food. What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 o'clock. It starts at 7 o'clock.
Would you mind closing the window? Would you mind closing the window?
Not at all, I will close it.
Not at
All, I will close it. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I am looking for my ring. I am looking for my ring.
How was your meeting today? How was your meeting today?
It was very productive. It was very productive.
Who taught you to cook? Who taught you to cook?
My grandmother taught me. My grandmother taught me.
Why are you wearing a suit? Why are you wearing a suit?
I have a formal interview. I have a formal interview.
Are you going to the gym? Are you going to the gym?
No, I am resting today. No, I am resting today.
Why is the TV so loud? Why is the TV so loud?
I can't hear it well. I can't hear it well.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel.